to Poo Files.
Poo Files, open.
Life's tough for Komodo Dragon babies. All the adult Komodo Dragons want to eat them. You won't catch them blimmin' grizzling about it though. They cover themselves in their own poo. So the smell keeps the adults away. Genius!
Poo Facts. Baby birds, all they do is eat and poop. Luckily, they have built-in nappies called fecal sacs. And when the sac gets full, the bird parents eat them because they're too lazy to take out the trash. Good one, Mum and Dad.
The Mary River turtle can breathe through its butt. True or false? Place your bets.
Fart facts.
Giraffes. They're vegetarians and they digest food super fast. Their farts are absolutely putrid. Lucky for them, their noses are too far away from their butts to smell the carnage.
The Mary River turtle can breathe through its butt. It's got little gill thingies by its bum, so it can breathe underwater for up to 3 days. Ugh, they're natural. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files, close.